Hey, what's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the new Asus Zephyrus G14 laptop. This one features a Ryzen 4800H processor as well as a GTX 1660 Ti graphics card. Anyway, without further ado, I'll just take the cover off here. Spin that around. So yeah, immediately opening the packaging, you can see the logo right here, then the laptop is right here covered in plastic wrap. I'll get back to the laptop, but first I'm going to show everything else that's in the packaging. So right here under these boxes, I hear something in here, so we're just going to take a look. Alright, so inside this box we have what appears to be the warranty information. And then in addition to that, we have just another warranty logo. And then this appears to be a brief instruction manual. Pretty straightforward. It just tells you where the slots are on the computer, where to plug in the charger, things like that. Alright, so in here on the right side we have the charger. So it outputs 20 volts at 9 amps. So this appears to be a 180 watt charger. And if you're curious, this is a plug that connects to the transformer. And yeah, here's a plug-in for the PC. Then on the left side of the box, here's the cable that plugs into the outlet on the wall. Then it connects to the transformer I just showed you, like that. Oh, I didn't realize, but this box actually has an interesting mechanism. As you open the cover, it actually props open the middle panel right here. Very interesting design. I'm definitely going to keep this box. Anyway, onto the laptop. Here it is. I have medium-sized hands, and yeah, that's just in comparison. So it's a very compact unit. Actually, I'm just going to grab a measuring tape and measure it quickly across. I'm getting from one end to the other, I'm getting just under 13 inches. Right there. Then from the front to the back, it's getting just under 9 inches. Yeah, I'm getting right to about there. And then for thickness, if you're curious, so it's just a little bit over ½ inch thick. Makes a very thin laptop. And for ports, it has 2 USB on the right side, as well as a USB-C Thunderbolt for locking. And then on the left side, it has a port for charging, another an HDMI, and then another USB-C Thunderbolt. And here's your audio right there. On the back, there's nothing. There's just fan vents. And, of course, on the front, there's nothing as well. Just gonna remove the plastic covering now. So here's the laptop itself. Just gonna open it up. Oh, cool! They put a protective cover for the keyboard, just to keep it nice and pristine. So yeah, the keyboard's pretty standard, with the exception of missing the number pad. I'm actually glad they did that though, because otherwise the keys would have had been made a lot smaller for this size. Oh yeah, no, the battery's not charged at all, which is fine. There's a Ryzen 7 logo, and the GeForce GTX for the 1660 Ti graphics card in it. It also has 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabyte solid state NVMe hard drive in it. Oh, another interesting thing is that catches my attention right away is as you open the, I'll just do it again, as you open up the screen, it actually props the laptop up a little bit. It's kind of neat. It's kind of like a makeshift stand in a way. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. Look forward to doing some various tests on it, and I'll showcase in my future videos its performance in these tests. Anyway guys, thanks for watching my unboxing video. I look forward to doing some benchmarks on the future, and I'll be sure to post that. I wish you all the best luck in your future PC builds. Goodbye now.